The second wave of COVID-19, which hit us around April, May, that has impacted the education system big time. Several teachers have died. Numerous children have either been orphaned or at least lost one parent. And there's a general sense of panic and helplessness in education systems, in education officials. So it's really a pretty grim situation. Among our beneficiaries, we have done a quick survey and we found that about 46% of the girls said that they are experiencing financial stress and they may not be able to come back to school.
It is really, really important for Room to Read to make sure that the education endure for all the girls that we work with. We actually pivoted our program since the first wave in 2020 and made sure that we reach out to each and every girl who was reachable. Our social mobilizers have been really the lifeline to the girls, and they're just not the lifeline to the girls, but to the whole program. They're the real soldiers on the ground. They're just doing active outreach. They're having check-in calls. They're doing remote mentoring. They act as a bridge between the school and the girls. Now, this is a pandemic situation. It's equally affecting them. But at the same point in time, they're so committed and passionate about the girls' education program that they have decided to leave their comfort zone and really work for the girls. We're honored to have International Emmy Award nominated actress and Clinic India brand ambassador Ms. Radhika Apte. Radhika is a champion of gender equality while breaking barriers in the film industry. Welcome, Radhika.
The devastating impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has caused one of the most significant disruptions in education history, affecting many children. Experts predict that the current education emergency could lead to increased school dropouts, especially among girls, and an alarming risk of them not returning to school even after the crisis is over. As the world is faced with this unprecedented impact of the pandemic, Room to Read's mission is even more important today, to ensure the learning continues and to keep the educational resilience rising. So I, Radhika Apte, and the Estee Lauder companies are joining Room to Read to raise awareness and call for action to protect girls and young women against the hardships threatening their education. Thanks to Room to Read and the mentorship provided through the Girls' Education Program, confident young women are activating their voices to protect themselves and each other. Roshni from Chhattisgarh is an example of the change that is possible when resilience rises even in the most difficult circumstances.
For a country like India, which houses about 1/3 of world's child brides, these girls are not only making a huge difference, but are also role modeling for other girls and young people in their communities. And Roshni is one of the very such leaders who has moved a mountain, especially in these COVID times, by helping a minor in her village to get out of the child marriage situation. So when she in her village, she hears that, her mother tells her that a wedding is to take place. And the moment she gets to know that it's actually a friend's minor sister, she really, in a way, gets converted into a leader and decides that this is not going to happen. It's not happening. It's not happening for once because it's not right. And it's not happening because it's going to set a very wrong example for other youth in her community. And without having anybody to tell her that you need to take an action, here she is taking initiative, deciding that she is going to make it stop. And that's where she sits back and she figures out, okay, who's the person I need to go to? And she goes to her local government official who sympathizes with her, who agrees that the point she's making is right, but is unable to deter the family. She doesn't stop at that. She figures out it's not probably an effective solution. And that's when she speaks to the social mobilizer of Room to Read, and they together problem solve the situation, and she decides that she's going to get the law enforcement agencies into action. And through accessing a child line, a phone child line, she gets other people into action, and she ensures that the child marriage is stopped. I think it's incredible. It's incredible because that girl's life is saved. It's incredible because it's an example she's set for the whole community, including the law enforcement agencies, that this is how swift action can be. This is how swift action is. And her leadership, unassuming leader, you look at her and you probably don't see the power she carries within, but when you hear about her story, it is all exuberating power, and that's something wonderful about it. Truly, truly inspirational.
When education endures, resilience rises. And that's what we saw through this story.
Yeah, the time to act is now. Room to Read was founded with the belief that world change starts with educated children. And if we lose out on the education of a generation of children, the whole vision for a world change that we have is going to be severely impacted.
Adolescents like Roshni are finding empowerment pathways by utilizing their life skills education for themselves as well as creating it for others. In a gender unequal world, we need to mentor and help many, many young people like Roshni so that we create a world where girls can realize their rights.